Wait. What's your head? No! I left the remote control upstairs, Grace. What? I left the remote control for that one upstairs.
Oh, darn! Why did you do that? Okay.
Yeah!
So you start right here because it's an easy place to get in, and you don't let the sheep up. That's where you have to be the most careful about cutting them because they have a bunch of veins on their bellies, especially since they're pregnant.
Alright.
So you just are a little bit more cautious with that. But a lot of times, the first sheep, someone else will do the belly for you.
I just love how the jacket starts to come off. Look at this.
I know. Undressing a sheep.
That's what it is. And so in addition to all of this, Ty, it's when you get really good, like Grace here, you can do it all in one go. And that means...
Like one jacket.
Yeah, because that has higher value, right? Grace, like a whole piece.
Yeah.
If you get it all at once, you can just go ahead and put it on, right?
That's
I
right.
think at this point you go up, right? Oh boy. I never did this. Didn't do the jugular cut? No.
Because I can't get close to the skin.
This is only my 6th sheep ever.
Yeah, you're doing excellent.
Thank you. So yeah, I'm if you notice, I'm kind of like following the curvature, which is what they taught me.
Yeah. He's okay with the anti-social living charter.
And so I have a lot of friends from
Oh my gosh, are you mine?
yours. For you.
Okay, here we go.
And remember, don't hold it with that hand.
Thank you.
Don't hold it because I'll slice my fingers.
Well, no, because you'll slice her skin, because you're pulling her skin off.
Oh, right,
So you
okay.
just want to like slide it in and then snip.
After you've been
Oh my god, I'm afraid to cut.
No.
weird way, like looking forward to being like, oh yeah, my mom died.
Does your GoPro keep getting bumped or?
Super awkward.
No, it hasn't been kicked or anything. It's actually in a good position.
That's good.
Yeah.
Right.
Hannah, you just seem to practice.
So there's that one. There's two. But I'm not good at that. And then
Really?
the man.
You do. You just seem to practice.
Hannah,
What?
are we leaving you to tackle the ram?
No.
I'm
That's
small.
what people have been saying. That's what people have been saying. You know.
Craig, what are you talking about?
People have been saying.
I saw
Even. Even Louise is hurt.
And then the man.
You do. You just seem to practice. My legs hurt.
it. But you're like, I've got a position, so I can't move them.
move or she'll get away.
You're committed.
I already did the other side though. It's just getting her neck then. Grace was saying though yesterday this would make an excellent episode of RuPaul's Drag Race. Shear their own sheep, clean their own wool, and make something out of it.
Can you get him down?
Yeah, give me a second. He's just finding his bearings. Gotta get him down close enough to my shears. Matter of advanced planning.
Oh, yeah. So, like, a lot. You're really right by the other.
Whoa! Nice, nice.
Right in reach. Collar on or off?
Here.
Okay, ready, steady,
Oh, wait, yeah.
good.
Wait. Let me get in here. I look better when I'm on.
I look bad no matter what.
Ready, steady.
Please.
Hi, ladies.
It's actually appropriate.
One in here. They're all disappearing.
Do you want to take a look and see what you think?
Yeah. Oh, I trust you.
I took a few, but they all disappeared. You need to come around.
Oh my God, this is fantastic. These are
I haven't worn husking gloves in ages.
I know.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh my God, these are great.
Where did you get your
There are enough
cornhusking
sheep
gloves?
in there.
Perfect.
Okay, all
Oh my
right,
God.
Were there enough sheep in it?
These are my Christmas gifts.
They're the smallest
best ones Linda could find. They're my farm work gloves. I know.
We have a soy lamp.
I gotta bring them in today.
Good job, folks.